Good morning all. Let's begin with a practical example of exposed return first. In this video we will discuss the example and the formula for the exposed return, and the next video we will discuss about the exit return. What is exposed return? I already spoke about it earlier. Whenever the data is given, the past data is given and we are calculating the return, that is known as exposed return. For example, return formula in this one is what D1 plus P1 minus P0 upon P0 into 100. What is D1? It's what? Dividend. D1 is what? Dividend paid in a year. P1 price of share or the at present. What is P0? Price of share initially. Okay, this is the formula for the return, and whenever we talk about the situation with the price and the dividends to be there. For example, example number 1 in your book is given. वहाँ given है कि there is a dividend to be paid by the XYZ company is rupees let it be 5. Dividend is given, and the price of the share, the price of the shares previous year is let it be 500 rupees. And the price of the shares this year is 560 rupees. What will be the return? This year is 560 rupees. Sorry. The previous year is what? 500, and this year is what? 560. Simple. D1 is 5 plus 560 minus 500 divided by 500 into 100. That is what? 5 plus 16 upon 500 into 100. Let's cancel out. It's what? 65 by 5, that is 13%. That is the return. So return on this security is what? 13%. मतलब किसी particular security ने कितना आपको कमा के दिया, how much you earn from this security, that is what return will be. ये पहला example. This is the first example, and this is the one of the example in which the dividend P1 and P0 is given. Now another formula for the exposed is what? I repeat, exposed is what? That is simple. What is that? It's simple. What is R bar? Because I already spoke about it. R return is nothing but mean. R bar is what? Summation R upon N. What is standard deviation? That is under root summation R minus R bar whole square upon N. Okay. And what is the coefficient of variance that shows कि which security is more beneficial? That is standard deviation upon R bar into 100 if it calculate on the basis of the percentage. That's it. About which question will be asked? Simple. According to this data. Okay. Now the question will be here. That is what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the return are 10, 12, 15, 20, and let it be 13%. Okay. Okay. First calculate the mean of this data. Simple. Sum of all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what? 60, 60, 70. Total is what? 70. 70 by 5. So it will be what? 14. Is it clear? Now apply what? R minus R bar. What is R minus R bar? It's very simple. 10 minus 14, that is what? Minus 4. 12 minus, it's minus 2. It's plus 1. It's plus 5. It's minus 1. Sorry, yes. No, it's plus minus 2, it's minus 1. It's plus 1. Sorry, it's plus 6. Okay. This is what the. So, now what I do? It's R minus R bar whole square. It's R minus R bar whole square is to be. Just a minute. It's R minus R bar whole square is to be. Minus 1 square, 16, 4, 1. 36, 1. So it's what? 20, 21, 21, 22, 22 plus 36, that is 22 plus 36, 58. Is it clear now? 20, 56 and 58. Now apply this one, that is under root 58 by 5, that is somewhere is 11.6 approx. When we sort it out this, or approx values to about 3.2. आपके पास कैलकुलेटर का कौन बोली about it? The value is what approx 3.2. So this is what the risk involved in this one. Now the third is what coefficient of variance. It's what 3.2% divided by 14 into 100. So its value will be what percentage cancel. 3.2 divided by 14. It's 0.2. It's 403 approx. अगर इसको परसेंटेज अकॉर्डिंग निकाले तो इट्स 23%. दैट्स इट. देखो विदाउट परसेंटेज भी पॉसिबल है और परसेंटेज के साथ पॉसिबल है. विदाउट परसेंटेज टू बी विदाउट मल्टीप्लाई 100 will apply, and if we want to calculate on the behalf of the percentage then we multiply this. Alright, so the value is to what 23% approx. So this is what how we calculate the ex post criteria. The ex post criteria को हम ऐसे निकालते हैं. In the next video we will discuss about the ex ante one. Ex ante की calculations कैसे होगी उनको हम डिस्कस करेंगे. But I hope it's very clear. We have only two formulas in it. One is based on the dividend and the prices, and one is what summation R upon N. Standard deviation is R minus R square upon N. That is we already read it in the mean, median, mode sort of concept earlier in the first semester itself. And the coefficient variance again you read it earlier. So this is very simplest formula we can say. So in the next video we will discuss about the ex ante return. I hope ये आपको clear हो गया होगा, किसी तरह का आपको डाउट नहीं होगा. Thank you.